Hey, what's going on? What's going on, YouTube family? A little excited today, as you can tell by the smile on my face. Headed to my boy Blake's crib. Blake's Exotic Animal Ranch. Check out these Snoop. Oh man, it's hot. Woo-hoo. Check out these Snoop pups he's been telling me about. He's really happy with his outcome of his Snoop breeding. Trying to see what's going on down there. Check out some awesome animals while I'm at it. That's what's on the venue for today. Y'all take it light. I'll see y'all in a little bit.
That my dog, that my dog, that my dog, yeah. When he bought, that's his talk, say I'm all ears. If I'm eating steak, I'ma give him one that's all his. Only difference is he living it out in dog years. That's my dog, that's my dog, that's my dog. Cuban links it on his neck.
Woo, finally made it to Blake Animal Ranch, baby. Yo, 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 let me in, let me in. What's good, what's good?
What's going on?
How the pup man? You know I'm excited to see him, man.
You gotta see him, you haven't seen him yet. So
yeah, man.
My mom's actually making a bunch of meats and stuff right now for the dogs.
Oh, so they on the raw meat already?
Oh, yeah, already.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So let's go see those guys. These guys are insane.
Ooh, look at Bam. She bounced back so fast.
Yeah, she's back, right back to normal.
Wow. Like she never had a litter.
Never. Sure, she's huge.
Wow, look at this hell, man.
Yeah, that's actually the one, that's a small female, but this one right here is one I need to show you. This girl is absolutely insane.
She's a brick.
Bro, brick.
Wow.
Insane. Solid.
Snoop and Bam definitely was a hit.
Definitely the hit.
Definitely was a hit. Look at the ball. Look at her head, so round.
Solid.
Wow.
Yeah, they're crazy.
Dang.
And then Bab, like you said, exactly. Bab bounced right back. Doesn't even look like his pups.
Hey, mama. Hey, mama. Girl, you did a beautiful job. Look at you. Miss Good Mommy.
Man, I was telling all my people and everything. I was telling all my people that you got me into the dog game when I called you the first time and all this stuff.
For sure.
And we got it all together. And
I remember like it was yesterday, bro. You hit me. I'm like, who is this guy?
I was working at the Everglades farm with the alligators. I was like, damn, these dogs are bad. I gotta get some of these dogs.
Yeah,
I got
man.
some.
We linked up pretty good, man.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but they're dope.
They're super dope, bro. Look at you, girl.
Solid.
Look at you. Look at you.
Solid. Now I'm gonna have freaking 3 more of them, 2 more of these guys. Look at these guys.
Wow.
Yeah, they're dope. We have
And with your bust down on. With your bust down. Got your bust down on, huh?
Heck yeah, that real cool. Are you go outside? No? But yeah, my mom's doing a bunch of meats. So what dog food you feed your dog? Like what meats and stuff?
I use this guy, raw canine diet,
Okay.
and it's pretty. I don't even know what's in it. Really, to be honest with you, I'm not even trying to act like I know what's in it.
Yeah.
It's just a bunch of bones, liver, kidney, all kind of stuff mixed up in one, and then they've been working pretty good on it, man. I started them early.
But that's what we separate. We don't want no milk right there. Right, you guys don't need to drink no more milk.
So you win them at
3 weeks.
Perfect.
Yeah, they're good.
Perfect.
It helps the mother so much better. Like
And she looks great. Like she never had a litter. That's what's up.
Literally.
That's what's up.
And then look, you see all the dogs. My mom's doing all the puppy food and everything.
Oh man, they eating better than me, man.
Pork chops,
They
beef,
definitely eat better than
green
us.
beans.
Tell me about it, man. What
They eat better than us.
Yeah.
Man,
Set it up. Look, the already got him prepped over there, ready to go.
bon appetit.
Literally.
That's what's up. That's
She
what's
definitely
up.
helps me enough with it. She does all the dog stuff.
That's what's up.
Yeah,
You know, that's
she's
super,
a dog lady.
super woman, man.
Exactly.
You know how she put it down in the kitchen.
Come on.
Yeah, man. But Blake, I'm definitely impressed.
Yeah. And then come back and breed a couple of these girls, some of your males too.
Oh yeah.
And then figure something out later.
Yeah, they're gonna be real. They're gonna do real good with Don Juan.
Oh yeah? We're gonna do it like that? Let's do it.
Real good with Don Juan, man.
It's gonna bring them down and make them crazy.
They already brought down, bro.
Yeah.
Like she was not even big.
Yeah, no.
You know, at all. You know what I mean? So it's just gonna be a next level. So it's levels.
And all these guys are actually gonna get moved into my garage. I'm making panels and everything in there, air conditioning.
Beautiful.
It's gonna be
Beautiful.
dope. Up with the carrots and green beans too. Wow. Oh yeah. Look at them there. Bro, if you haven't been here for a while,
Yeah.
everything has changed. Like, I took down trees, the birds got bigger, animals got bigger, the barn got bigger.
Wow.
Like, Matt, have you seen the barn?
Nah.
In person?
Nah, man.
Well, I did already some upgrades in
Look
there. You
at
can
this.
come in. You got it? Damn. Oh yeah, this is the thing. Like, it's not done. Obviously, it's not done yet, but like, there's electricity, plumbing, there's 10,000 things in here. Wow. I got the floor done.
Holy shit, this is no pressure.
Okay. Yeah, I added the bubbles because this side's gonna be the fish room. So it's gonna be wet. So I gotta make the bubbles and everything. I insulated the whole thing. Whole thing's insulated to keep the temperature down. Thing is solid. It's not too much up. All of the electricians are working like crazy right now, getting all this done. That's just a test pool. That thing's probably gonna get thrown out. It wasn't the right one I wanted, but yeah, this thing is dope. The big facility right here. Yeah, it's dope. This is everything I have.
You got all your lightning rods up and all that good stuff.
Everything's going, yeah.
That's what's up, bro.
Exactly.
That's what's up. You deserve it, bro. You
Yeah.
deserve it, man. That's real.
Badass.
That's real.
Definitely.
Damn.
Yeah, it's dope. I got a bunch going on.
What badass? That's badass right there.
Yeah, that's Willie.
Oh yeah, boy. Willie gonna run your ass straight down, boy. Tell me.
See, everybody knows about Willie.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
Bro, I was so sad when I heard, I
yeah.
seen the post. I couldn't even call, bro.
Yeah,
I'm
I know, it was
like,
bad.
damn, what happened? Well, whatever.
Yeah.
I'll talk to you off
You guys know what he's talking about.
Man, that was crazy.
Yeah, it wasn't fun. But it's part of the freaking ranch stuff when you got the animals and stuff.
That's the hard part, huh?
Yep. But
Where my girl Moore at, man?
let's go find her. You go find her.
When I-
You saw the capybaras over there?
Oh nah.
I'm gonna move Willie out of
And
the way.
get Will out the way, man. Cause Willie shot out.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright, you're good. You can come this way. Just walk through that way. You're good.
Well, Willie over the chain. I'm around dogs. I'm not afraid of dogs. I'm afraid of Willie ass though. Yes, sir.
Well, that's Missy. I don't know where she's at. Let's see if we find her.
So what's in here now?
There's capybaras. There's these big rodents. Here, just stay right here. I'm gonna scare them out. That's it.
That's cool.
They're gonna come out for you right now.
How many of them? Two?
It's two. It's a boy and a girl. Here they come towards you right now. See them?
Yeah.
They're still babies. They're gonna get 150 pounds.
Holy shit.
That's bigger than all our dogs.
Damn.
But they're dope.
They won't come up to you. Nah, they
No,
gone.
they're a little skittish, but with me, when I work with them, they
Yeah.
come up to me, eat out of my hands and everything. It's really cool.
That's what's up. That's what's up.
But we could go find Moors. I know you like Moors.
For sure, for
Go
sure.
find her.
I thought you was a bull, mama.
Big girl. Okay. Yeah, all the tortoises are hiding in here. It's so hot. Everyone's just hanging out, you guys. 1-2 stalls right here. I got future plans. You guys get a little quick speak right here. 2020. I think I'm putting fences here, new fences. You see all the gates over there?
Right.
I'm actually gonna put 8-foot fences here because that's the regulations here. And I'm thinking about putting kangaroos all here.
Oh.
So the donkey's gonna go to the other side, the cow's gonna get moved over there, and this whole section here is gonna be the tortoises and the kangaroos.
That's
gonna be
gonna be
freaking
dope,
awesome.
bro.
Yeah, you guys just got an update on that. That's it. Don't tell the whole world yet.
That's gonna be. Oh, that's a yellow macaw, another yellow
Yellow
macaw. Yeah, something yellow.
Yellow Nate.
Yellow Nate. That's
Yeah.
it. Yep.
Blue front Amazons, Quakers, Eclectus over there.
That's what's up.
Got all different turtles in here. We got a bunch of turtles over here.
So the blue one, like the gray, that's a
Yes.
Quaker too?
Yeah,
I never seen that color.
Look at this one over here. That's a Quaker too, but it's an albino.
Get the hell out. It's not gonna fight?
No, it's different. That's all
My
albino.
G, I thought they only came like this.
There's different more.
Badass. They bad too.
Yeah. But these guys are getting big cages outside. I'm making big aviary for this. Yeah, it's male, female. But I'm getting a male for this one, a yellow one. There's yellow ones too. There's all different colors. Yeah, they're dope.
What's up?
Oh yeah,
I heard that.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm not gonna walk back you.
Or are you talking more?
What's up? Yes, I'm not gonna ignore you. I just heard you. Say it again.
All the fish getting different fish. Big over there.
I need to see this finishing product, man.
Oh, yeah.
I'm like super excited to see
The product is gonna be crazy.
That's.
Oh yeah. All the different types. I got fucked up earlier by another iguana lizard. Oh, I got meat inside the house. I'll feed him right now. I'm gonna take him out.
Damn, man, he looks strong as shit. I can imagine when he wiggle, man. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy. He want to go?
Nah.
They handle that big thing. I'm the man.
Nah.
Oh.
He's only gonna get bigger though. He'll eat out of my hand once he smells the chicken or something. Look, once he smells it, he knows. He'll calm down. I'm gonna bring him over here so you guys can see better.
Hey, we're good. We're good right where you're at.
Relax, buddy. You hear the birds? Watch that tail. See that tail?
Oh, look at him on a wheel.
Oh yeah.
Look at this
He
guy.
gets you, he'll mess you up. Relax. Your hair high, too. See?
Look at him.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he's something else. He is something else.
Watch how he eats these things though, he'll eat them whole. Swallow them whole. So
Dude, that thing's gonna be scary. So how big the tail get?
the tail's gonna be the longer part, like 3.5 foot, 4 foot, the body. It'll be about 120 pounds.
You are brave.
Yeah, she's ready to go.
I got another one in the back that's cool. Everything I have is a different color.
I know.
Yeah, he's cool though. He's old. He's like an 8-year-old skunk. He's cool though, little guy.
That's what's up.
Just chills in there. Yeah, the spider web's all in here. He might jump out right now because he knows he's smelling the food. Right, that tongue is flickering like crazy, smelling.
What the food is?
It's right here. So
Look at
look,
that
watch.
motherfucker.
And then you can do the next one. I can show you the next one. Sometimes he comes out so fast, he'll fly out of here like this. The other day I fed him, he flew out of the cage. He just completely jumped out, landed on the grass. But he would swallow the whole thing whole, see? Damn. Breaking the bone, see the jaw muscles, the cheeks?
Wow.
All right, so Dean, right in here,
Yeah.
this is a Rhino Iguana from Haiti. And these guys are really, really neat. But actually this morning, he got out of his enclosure. It was probably my mistake, probably left it unlatched. And I saw him over there in the Brazil area, my other part of the property. And I saw him and I was like, I don't know how I'm gonna catch this guy. So I grabbed the flower, shook it in front of his face, he ran towards me. As soon as he grabbed that flower, I just grabbed him real quick. And because when I grab him, you get a little scratched up, but that's all right, it's part of the job here at the ranch. And yeah, it just happens every day. But now he's in the cage and we got him back.
Man, you the real MVP, man.
Every day is something different.
You Superman.
So this guy's ready to go. So in here I had crocodilians, I have alligators and caimans in here. I have it locked up always. So we're gonna unlock it, I already unlocked it. And we're gonna take these guys out and Dean's gonna hold a South American caiman. They are kind of spicy. I'll have you hold the gator first. And then I'll have you hold the caiman.
You ready?
You ready?
Yeah. Ready as I'm gonna be.
All right, so this guy right here, that's Louie. It's a little baby American alligator. He's calm. The caiman's over there. There's one there in the water and there's another one on the bottom. He's a lot bigger.
Oh, this is kind of deep.
This is a little guy. He's not too bad. He's handleable. You grab the tail right there, around underneath the chest, just like that.
You like that?
He's not bad. He's calm. He's handleable. Everybody holds him. That's like step one. He's going to move right now, so just hang out. But then there's going to be a caiman that's in the water, and that guy, he's a little spicy. You're good. I got it. I'm going to give it to the take you. Oh. Cool little guy, right?
So they dope.
Watch that. He's going to come behind you.
Oh, shit.
Alright you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video with the puppies inside the house, and then we actually showed Dean all throughout the ranch today. So it's almost like a full-on tour for you guys. You guys saw all different types of things. You guys got lucky. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate seeing you.
Already,
man.
man.
The dog help.
My pleasure,
and
my pleasure.
You gotta come back to his house and go see all his dogs and everything.
For sure,
See all
for
the
sure.
puppies.
That's what it is.
But
that's what it is.
yeah, whenever you want to stop by with the family, just hit me up.
Always, man. You
For
know
sure.
what it is, man. Always
For
respect,
sure.
man.
For sure,
Always.
for sure.
For sure.
All right, you guys. I'll see you all later. Peace out.
Cuban link collar just to match mine. You can tell it's S&B from the bloodline. They're my dog.